Hi, I'm Mark Michelson, Editor-in-Chief of Printing Impressions. I'm here at Drupa 2016. Today I have with me Will Mansfield, who's the Director of Worldwide Sales and Marketing for inkjet presses at Kodak. Welcome, Will.
Hi, Mark. Thanks. Good to be here.
So we're standing here by the Prosper 6000 press. What can you tell us that you're showing at Drupa?
Well, one of the first things you're going to notice is this does not look like a typical digital press. It looks more like a heat set perfecting web press, and that's by design. You see, when we went about engineering the Kodak Prosper 6000C, our goal was to create a digital press that was capable of transferring work from the traditional offset world. Now here at Drupa, we've integrated with 5 different pre- and post-processing solution vendors. We've integrated with a Megtech zero-speed auto splicer that's feeding rolls non-stop through the Prosper press. But what's unique about the Prosper implementation is that because our Kodak Prosper heads are up to 4 times farther away from the printing substrate than, say, a drop-on-demand head, it allows us to print on or around the splice. So we do not have to stop the press or park the heads out of the way when the splice is running through, letting it run through uninterrupted. And that auto splice, combined with stream inkjet technology, can give up to a 10% productivity boost to our clients that are running ultra-high volume. We're highlighting with VITS International something we call intelligent inserting. We're printing material in inkjet that then is combined with an offset sheet to create a unique document that is segmented to the audience. Offset for the internal pages that are sent to everyone, inkjet for the external pages that are segmented by audience. Now we're also running roll to sheet here at Drupa. With roll to sheet, we have integrated a VITS high-speed multi-cut sheeter to create sheeted products that can be variably sheeted and to create poster applications. And those posters are really flying off the booth today. We're working with a company called iWeb, and they've developed an aqueous postcoder, and we are post-coding pages on the fly here at the show. Now, every other day we switch back and forth to the man roll and fold line. What we're doing here at Drupa 2016 is working with Manroland to create custom catalogs. So we start first with a 32-page catalog, then we segment it by language zone. So French, then we switch to Dutch, then we switch to English, then we switch to German. All of that is done on the fly with no slowdown, no plate changes, no data buffer errors, straight through the press, straight through the finishing line with 300 meter per minute speed. Then we switch on the fly to micro-zoned 8-page versions, once again making those language transitions with 8-page catalogs that are customized to the recipient. And we're doing this on the fly, no changeover, no job stoppage, no setting up of the fold line. It keeps up with the press at 300 meters a minute or 1,000 feet a minute. We're able to integrate all of those pre- and post-processing systems live here at the show thanks to an open architecture interface that the Prosper Press features. Kodak Stream Inkjet technology is what allows us to print with high ink coverage at high speed on coated papers, even glossy papers. Kodak Stream Inkjet technology is the fastest writing system for an aqueous-based inkjet system that you'll see here at Drupa. 300 meters a minute, full variable data. It's also fast enough that we're able to continue to keep up with the demands of variable data, that we're able to run the press with excellent registration, we're able to run the press with excellent dot placement, and the repeatability front to back is also industry leading. The Prosper 6000 features interstation drying. Interstation drying, as the name implies, means we dry in between printing process. So we print, dry, print, dry, print, dry. We don't want to slow our press down, and we don't want our customers to have to limit the amount of ink on the page. That's why we designed interstation drying. We can evaporate and evacuate the moisture created from printing this high quality, high ink coverage work at speeds of 300 meters a minute on lightweight coated papers and 200 meters a minute on the glossy papers. Ideal for publishers, ideal for commercial printers, catalogers, newspapers, books, you name it. We really wanted to create a press that would allow us to go into the offset market and have people move jobs with ease to inkjet. And we think we've done it.
Right. Well, it really shows the versatility of the technology. Thanks so much for your time today, Will.
My pleasure.